In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply texture to text in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer looking to enhance your creations, these steps will help you effortlessly add intriguing texture to your text in Canva. First, let's get started by heading over to Canva and opening your design. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Elements. This is where you'll find a wide variety of options that can add some pizzazz to your designs. In the search bar that's nestled comfortably within the Elements section, type Texture. What you'll see is a plethora of texture options appear. It's like meeting an old treasure chest filled with possibilities. To dive deeper into what's available, click on See All. This will open up the entire library of textures and you'll have free reign to choose whatever strikes your fancy. Once you've found a texture that you think will complement your text, click on it to select it. Here's a little trick. If you right-click the selected texture, you'll see the option to set image as background. This step is crucial as it sets the base for the texture effect. After setting your texture as the background, click on the image and navigate to the transparency icon. By adjusting the transparency slider, you can find that sweet spot where the texture subtly enhances the text rather than overpowering it. Here's an extra step that really brings the magic together. Add the texture image again. This might sound repetitive, but this ensures that you have full control over the effect applied to your text specifically. Next, click on Apps on the side panel and type Typecut into the search bar. Then select Type Cutout. This app allows you to manipulate text in creative ways. After choosing it, go ahead and edit your text to your liking. Subsequent steps will involve refining the appearance of your text. Click the texture image again, and this time look for the option that says Change Image. You'll then click on Use Selected Image followed by Add to Design. Doing this refreshes the texture effect specifically on your text layer. The following step is often overlooked but makes a big difference. Click the additional texture image and delete it. This neatens up your workspace and ensures that you have only what you need to focus on the texture. Now click on your text again and navigate to the Edit option. You'll find shadows and right below that, outline. Clicking on outline will add the finishing touch. Here, adjust the size to just 2 to give your text a clean but distinct edge. For the cherry on top, select adjust and fine tune the sharpness and clarity sliders, allowing your textured text to truly pop with precision and clarity against the backdrop you've crafted. And there you have it, you've successfully added texture to your text in Canva, elevating your design with a personalized touch. Experiment with different textures and effects to find the combination that best suits your artistic vision. Thanks for following along and happy designing.